कुछ साल पहले मैं एक नेटवर्किंग इवेंट में गई और मैं वहाँ किसी को नहीं जानती थी। द रूम वॉज फुल ऑफ स्ट्रेंजर्स। माई हार्ट वॉज बीटिंग फास्ट। अनईजी सी फीलिंग आ रही थी। अजीब सी हिचकिचाहट थी अनजान लोगों से बात करने के, और बहुत सारे सवाल दिमाग में आ रहे थे। किससे बात करूँ, क्या बात करूँ, क्या कहूँ, कैसे शुरुआत करूँ। क्या सोशल गैदरिंग में आपके दिमाग में भी ऐसे सवाल आते हैं? अगर हाँ, तो इट इज़ अ इंडिकेशन दैट यू ऑल्सो लैक समवेयर इन द कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. Lack of communication skills led to confusion, misunderstanding, poor relationship, stress, low confidence. आजकल के ज़माने में skills, especially how to talk to anyone, is very important for building relationships, for boosting self-confidence, to enhance the social skills, self-expression, networking. इसलिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है सीखना कि कैसे बात करें टू बिल्ड बेटर कनेक्शंस विद द पीपल, जो हमारे पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल सक्सेस के चांसेस को डबल ट्रिपल कर देगा. So today I am going to share 7 tips which I have implemented in my life and had changed my life completely. The first tip is active listening. जब कोई व्यक्ति आपसे बात करता है या कुछ शेयर करता है तो उनकी बात पूरे ध्यान से सुने. उनको बीच में टोकिए मत. Instead focus on understanding their perspective. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, जब कोई दोस्त आपसे अपनी प्रॉब्लम शेयर करता है तो पहले उनकी प्रॉब्लम, उनकी कंसर्न को ध्यान से सुने instead of immediately offering the solution. Second point is to ask questions. सवाल पूछने से बातचीत को बढ़ावा मिलता है. It also prompt the other person to share more about themselves. उदाहरण के लिए यदि कोई कहता है I had a tough day, तो आप उनसे पूछ सकते हैं कि क्या हुआ है. This will show your interest and also help keep the conversation flowing naturally. Third point is to show empathy and understanding. You can acknowledge the other person feeling and validate the experiences by using phrase like I understand how you feel. That must have been challenging. This will convey your empathy and support. For example, अगर आपका कोई colleague बहुत frustrated है because of some challenging project, then you can say I understand why you are feeling frustrated. It sounds like a tough situation. खुद को दूसरे की सिचुएशन में रख के सोचो and try to understand their perspective. Don't pass judgments and truly listen to what other person say. Fourth point, जिसने मेरी बहुत मदद की है, is to practice the non-verbal communication. Pay attention to the non-verbal cues such as body language, चेहरे के हाव भाव, and tone of voice. Try to maintain the eye contact, smile genuinely, and use the open body language to convey the warmth and approachability. For example, अगर कोई दूसरा व्यक्ति say something that is interesting, you can raise your eyebrows, which is a sign of super engagement. Pay attention to the speaking pace and the tone of voice. Speak clearly at a moderate pace and vary your tone to convey the interest and enthusiasm. Avoid speaking too quickly or too loudly. For example, during a job interview, try to maintain the eye contact with the interviewer, smile warmly, and sit upright to convey the confidence and professionalism. Fifth point is to be genuine and authentic. Be yourself and communicate authentically. People are more likely to respond positively to someone who is genuine and sincere. दूसरों को इम्प्रेस करने या उन्हें बहकाने की कोशिश ना करें, और इसके बजाय focus on building genuine connections. For example, when meeting someone at the networking event, inquire about their interest, their hobbies, their professional background, and actively listen to their responses to show their genuine interest. So, communication skills can be improved through 5 steps: active listening, asking questions, showing empathy and understanding, practicing non-verbal communication, and by being genuine and authentic.